Public speaking. It's one of the most feared skills, but one of the most powerful skills. Whether you're giving a presentation in the classroom or leading a meeting, strong public speaking can make a difference. Today, I'm going to show you some simple techniques to speak with confidence and impact so you catch your next presentation. First, let's talk about why public speaking is very important. No matter your field, being able to express yourself can open more doors. From school to the workplace, public skills helps you stand out, communicate ideas effectively, and build connections. One of the most important parts of public speaking is knowing your audience. Tailor your message to the people you are talking to, and your message will go through. For instance, speaking to classmates, a former audience, or an online group. Are they students like you? Are they professionals? Your tone and vocabulary should be geared towards your audience. It should be geared towards those that are listening. So you have to be mindful of your tone, your vocabulary that you're using based on your audience. Next, you need to structure your speech. A good speech or a good presentation should have the beginning, the middle, and the end. Start with an attention-grabbing introduction, followed by a few key points, and then with a strong conclusion. Now, let's say you are given a speech on climate change. You could start with a startling introduction, then move to the solution, and your conclusion should be a call of action. So you see that when you follow that, a startling introduction, a solution, and a call of action, your speech will be in order. Now, what is the secret of great public speaking? Practice. Practice is that secret. Rehearse your speech aloud. Rehearse your presentation aloud. Many times. Rehearse it as many times as possible so that you become versed with what you're going to present. And with that, you're going to present confidently because you know what you are going to present. Some steps that you can use to practice are record yourself. Make sure you record yourself, listen to yourself practice, or listen to yourself give out the speech, or practice in front of your friends. If you have friends, practice in front of your friends. Rehearse with your friends so that they can give you some corrections, or wherever you get it wrong, wherever you have any mistake or any error, your friends are going to correct you. Or another way is practice in the mirror. Yes, rehearse in the mirror. Look yourself in the mirror while you're practicing. And when you do that, you're going to spot out those areas where you need to add more practice or those areas where you need to work on. So don't just go for public speaking just like that. You need to practice, you need to rehearse, you need to prepare, because preparation will give you the confidence that you need in order to talk in public. The more you practice, the more you feel confident on stage. The less you practice, the more you become nervous on stage. So practice before going on stage. The next thing I really need to talk about is body language. Body language plays a very important role in public speaking. Yes, in public speaking, you need to be confident. You need to stand tall. You need to put your shoulders back. Speak with confidence and use hands. Use your body or your hands as gestures. Use a lot of gestures to emphasize your points. Yes, when you go for public speaking, you don't just stand. You don't just speak without gestures. You need a lot of gestures. Use your hands, use your eyes, use your mouth. Wherever you can, use it in order to emphasize on your points. And don't forget eye contact. Yes, eye contact is very important in public speaking. Connecting with individuals in your audience makes your message more personal and impactful. So don't forget eye contact is very, very important in public speaking. Don't give a presentation and you are like your head is down. You cannot look at somebody. No, look at your audience eye to eye. Eye contact is very, very important in public speaking because it makes that message to be so personal. It makes your message to be so impactful. Please don't forget eye contact. Nervousness. Yes, I know when it comes to public presentation or public speaking, many people get so nervous. Yes, it's normal. It's normal to be nervous, but there are some ways that you can cope with your nervousness. There are some things that you can do in order to control your nervousness. It's very normal for everybody, especially when you are given a presentation for the very first time. Most people become so nervous, but don't worry. I'm going to tell you some tips in order to handle your nervousness. The very first one is take deep breath, pause when needed, and remind yourself that your audience is rooting for you. When you do that, you realize that you start calming down. Yes, because you know that your audience are expecting more from you. Another way to calm down your nervousness is that you can start with a joke or a story to break the ice. Yes, when you do that, you find yourself comfortable in the midst of your audience, and there your speech will start flowing normally. Yes, so that is a little secret that you can do in order to cope with your nervousness. With these tips, you'll be ready to step up to the microphone with confidence. Remember, public speaking is a skill that can be learned. The more you do it, the better you get it. Thanks for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Like the video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be one of the first persons to get notified. And please, you can also join my community. Okay, you can join my community so that we can grow this community together. And thank you very much for always being there for me. I really do appreciate. I'm so grateful that you're always there. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop in the comments. Or if you have anything, any topic that you want me to elaborate on, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.